8 Best Practices for Securing Your Cluster with Kubernetes. What is Kubernetes security? A system for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications is called Kubernetes security. When containers are organized into logical units, it is simpler to manage, secure, and discover them. Kubernetes is the most popular container management system available right now. 8 Kubernetes Best Practices for Security. The 3 primary phases of the development lifecycle: build, deploy, and runtime are separated into the crucial best practices you must apply to secure your Kubernetes clusters. Build time security. During the build step of your software development lifecycle, SDLC, you can secure containers by following some essential best practices. 1. Image scanning. 2. Post-operating system hardening. 3. Minimizing the attack surface. Deploy time security. You may secure your containers using the following steps when it is the time to deploy them to production. 4. Harden your Kubernetes clusters. 5. Integrating security tools with Kubernetes clusters. Runtime security. Here are some best practices to help you protect the workloads and infrastructure of your Kubernetes cluster while it is in use. 6. Network security controls. 7. Enterprise security controls. 8. Threat defense. For more information, visit www.rskcybersecurity.com.